So good. I am Kripa Shankar Prasad, GS faculty at Balnoi Academy in Janakpuri branch, Delhi. I am discussing here today politics, geography and economic question of NDA 2022. First question is 57. Which of the following is not power of Panchayati Raj under Article 243G? Panchayati Raj was introduced in India according to Gandhian principle of directive principle of state policy. By 73rd Amendment, we have added 11th schedule in our constitution which describe changes in Panchayati Raj. This question is asked, not power of Panchayati Raj. Answer is D part, that is regulation of land reform. Regulation of land reform. Regulation of land reform. Question is not power. Other powers are there, means land improvement is land improvement. So answer will be a D part. Land improvement, implementation of land reform, land conservation, soil conservation, these are the function of Panchayati Raj. These are function of Panchayati Raj. Now question number 61. In question number 61, there is a two statement. Maharashtra has the maximum share of national highway in length kilometer. It is a wrong statement. Correct statement is UP, Uttar Pradesh. The nature of terrain and level of economic development in the region for maximum share of national ways in Maharashtra. Both the statement is wrong, neither one and neither two. So answer will be D part. Because when the first statement is wrong, second statement is already wrong. Question number 62. The activities service focused on creation and rearrangement of interpretation of new and existing ideas referred as culinary activities. Answer will be B part. Now come to the question number 64. Consider the statement given here. The Sarvati river creates jog fall. This statement is correct. Now Brahmani river is in Odisha, so and its confluence of Kosi and Sankosh, wrong. Kosi is tributary of river Ganga, so this statement is wrong. Part 3, Tamripani is a river of tributary river of Tamil Nadu. So 1 and 3 statement is correct. So answer will be 2 statements are correct. Here question is asked how many statement is correct. So 2 statement is correct. 1 and 3. Part 2 is wrong. Next, question number 86. Sixth question. There are statements are given. Consider the following statement on computation of density. All three statement is correct. 1, 2 and 3. All, how many statement? All three statement is correct statement. So answer will be C part. Next, come to question number 87. Formation of torque. Formation of torque, small rocky hills associated with which of the following? Answer is granite. A part. Now question number 88. Consider the following statement about anticyclone. Here the anticyclone are high pressure system. First, air is center at system must be subsidizing. So there are only two statements. How many statements are correct? 1 and 3 is correct. Second is wrong. So answer will be 2. Next, question number 89. Which of the following statement is Earth's crust is brittle in the nature? The main thickness of oceanic crust is 15 kilometers. Only one statement is correct. Second statement is wrong. Question number 104. In the recent judgment, Supreme Court of India directed that every protected forest, national park and wildlife sanctuary across the country should have a mandatory eco-sensitive zone of a minimum 1 kilometer. Answer will be A part. Next, question number 112. Now here, planning commission, it is a statement about planning commission. So first of all, the Constitution of National Planning Committee was established under Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Then establishment of Planning Commission takes place. After that, the formation of National Development Council, and last one, arrival of first 5-year plan. In first 5-year plan, we gave importance to agriculture sector. So answer will be C part 4, 1, 2, 3. Now come to the question number 116. In India, a cultivable land which is left uncultivated for more than 1 year but less than 5 years is known as fallow other than current fallow land. Part C is correct. Next, question number 117. Now come first with 119. 117 we will discuss later on. 119. The zone of railway zones are given here. Eastern Rail is East Central Railway, Northeastern, Northeast Frontier and Northwestern Railway. Northwestern Railway. Now come to her choice. Eastern Railway has headquarter at which place? For Eastern है, Northeastern है. Northeastern is related with Gorakhpur. East Coast Railway is for East Central Railway, Hazipur, and Northeast Frontier Railway, Malegaon, Guwahati. Northwestern Railway, Jaipur. Answer will be B part. See here, North, South, East, West. Northwestern, North Central, Northeastern, Northeast Frontier Railway. Like this we have to remember this. Now come to the question number 116. 116 we have just discussed. 117. Queensland. The major portion of Great Artesian Basin in Australia is located at Queensland. Here, the major portion of Artesian Basin in Australia located in Queensland. Next, which of the following are correct? India has one of the largest navigable inland water network in the world. Wrong. The The inland water present help in transporting 25% of total cargo. It's also wrong. Only 3 statement is correct. So C part is correct answer. Now come to the question number. Railway headquarters we have done. Question number 120. Which of the following statement about earthquake wave is not correct? Part D is answer. This is end of my discussion. Next history teacher will come and explain you about history.
Hello everyone, this is Abhishek, GS faculty of Balnoi. Today I am going to discuss about NDA 2022 paper, general ability test paper. We are going to discuss the first question, history. The 58 question, the match list 1 and list 2, the Mahamatas and the function we are going to match. If you go with the questions, if you go with the question of history, that is 58th question, that is match list and 1 and select the correct answer using the code, that is list 1, Mahamatas and the function. The correct option is C. The correct option is C. 58th question, the set D I am discussing. Set D I am discussing. Another question, 59th question, who among the following was author of Hasta Ayurveda? The author of Hasta Ayurveda. The option is A is option correct. The option A is the correct answer. Another one, question number 60. Question number 60. Which among the following area was acquired by the British under the Treaty of Deogan? Deogan in 1803. Treaty of Deogan in 1803. The correct answer is Cuttack. A option. Next question number 63. 63 question number, उड़े देश के आम नागरिक, a current affair based question. It is an innovative scheme to develop a regional aviation market. It create affordability yet economically viable and profitable flight on regional route. Which of the following statement are correct? Here it's a current affair based question. Here both the statement are correct. So here option C, both 1 and 2 is the correct one. If we move to the next part, question number 75, it's also one of the current affair question we are going to discuss right now. Which among the following has initiated, the question says that, which among the following initiated a nationwide flagship campaign of Puneet Sagar Abhiyan to clean the seahorse, beaches and other water bodies of plastic and other waste material. The options are NCC, National Cadet Corps is the correct one. B is the correct answer. Another question of current affair, question number 76, talked about which among the following hosts the country of United Nations World Environment Day 2022. It's a current affair based question. So here the correct option is B, Sweden. B is the correct one, that is Sweden. Now come to the next question of current affair. Question number 77. 77 talked about which among the following naval ship were decommissioned in June 2022. Here the current affair question has been asked from the June month. So which among the following naval ship was decommissioned in the June 2022? Here the correct answer is B. INS Nishank and INS Akshay is the correct one. Next question of current affair. Question number 78. It talked about India signed a deal which one of the following country to supply MH-60R helicopter to Indian Navy. Here the correct answer is USA. Option D is the correct one. MH-60R helicopter. Correct answer is USA. Another current affair question, that is question number 79. It talks about, with reference to the Indian defense, the term Surat and Udaygiri refers to. The term Surat and Udaygiri refers to, it's a warship. It refers warship. So option D is the correct one. Come to the question number 80. It's a history question. Who among the following laid the foundation of Vijayanagar Empire? विजयनगर एम्पायर का फाउंडेशन किसने किया था? इट्स हरिहर बुका. ऑप्शन ए अल्फा इज द करेक्ट वन. हरिहर बुका. कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 81. द बुक कलीला व दुमा is an Arabic translation of, it's an Arabic translation of Panchtantra. Option B, that is beta, is the correct one. Come to the question number 82. 82 question talked about who among the following initiated the Bhudan movement. Bhudan movement की शुरुआत किसने की थी? क्वेश्चन ये डिमांड कर रहा है. द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, दैट इज विनोबा भावे. विनोबा भावे इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Now come to the question number 83. That's again a history question. Question number 83. We talked about which among the following river in India was not crossed by Alexander. कौन सी नदी थी जब अलेक्जेंडर ने इन्वेट किया था इंडिया में, जब उसने उसको क्रॉस नहीं किया था? द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज अल्फा, दैट इज ए. ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Come to the question number 84. 84 question that talked about which among the following describe the medieval Indian postal system as a two kind, that is horse post, that is ulak, and the foot post, that is called dawa. Here the correct answer, who among the following describe, किसने describe किया था? This term was described by Ibn Battuta, that is option C. Charlie is the correct answer. Option C. Now here the question number 85. The questions come from Harappan sites. Harappan sites. The question came from Harappan site that at which among the following Harappan sites fire altars are found. Here the questions came, fire altars are found. Where the fire altars are found? It is found at Kalibangan. Option A is the correct one. Come to the question number 90. A current affair based question is there. In January 2022, the administration of which among the following union territories has been merged together? कौन सी यूटी को मर्ज किया गया है? क्वेश्चन ये पूछ रहा है. Here the answer is D, Delta. That is दादर नागर हवेली. That is दादर नागर हवेली. And Daman and Diu is the correct one. Come to the next question of 101. 101. 101 talked about Rafael Nadal defeated who among the following to win the French Open tennis tournament, that is 2022. Here the option C is the correct one. C is the correct one, that is Casper Ruud. C for Charlie is the correct answer. Next again 102 question. A current affair based question is there. E-Sanjeevani, the free telemedicine service of government of India, was recently integrated with, किसके साथ इंटीग्रेट किया गया? क्वेश्चन ये पूछा गया है. It has been integrated with आयुष्मान भारत डिजिटल मिशन, that is आयुष्मान भारत डिजिटल मिशन. Alpha is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. 103. 103 again a current affair based question is there. Which among the following statement about Shrestha scheme launched recently by Government of India are correct? First we will see the statement. What statement is it talking about? Here it is talking about the scheme is for residential education student in high school in targeted area. Second statement talked about it provides for high quality of education for meritorious but the poor scheduled caste students. Here both the statement is correct, both 1 and 2 statement is correct. So here the correct option is C. For Charlie is the correct option C. Come to 105 current affair. Which among the following is the author of Tome of Senth? Tome of Senth, that is Reth Samadhi. Reth Samadhi, it is B option, that is Beta Gitanjali Shri. Come to the next question of current affair, that is 106 question. Which among the following invented the flying shuttle? A bit factual question. Here the correct option is B, John Kay. B for beta, John Kay is the correct answer. In the year 1733, he invented flying shuttle. Now come to the question 107. 107 talked about where did Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose announce the formation of Government of Free India in 1943. 1943. Here the correct option is it is A alpha, that is Singapore. Singapore से उन्होंने बात की थी to announce the formation of Government of Free India in 1943. The correct option is alpha. Another history question of question number 108. It talked about who among the following introduced the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly on 13 December 1946. So it is correct answer is alpha, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru introduced the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly in 13 December 1946. Come to the question number 109. Again a history question. They have asked about the chronological order. They asked about the chronological order. Consider the following historical event: Gandhi-Irwin Pact, Second Roundtable Conference, Peasant Movement in Bardoli and Peasant Movement in Kheda. Here if you go with the year wise, it is 1931. 1931 Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed, and in September 1931 Second Roundtable Conference was formed. In 1928 Bardoli movement was started and Peasant movement in Kheda, that is in 1918. If you come with the option the 4 and 3, the first one is 4, second one is 3. If you go with the option B, you come to the correct answer, that is B, beta. 4 3 1 2 is the correct answer. Now come to the next question. Again a history question. 110 questions. What the question is demanding? Question is asking that which among the following statement about the Unionist Party are correct. Here it is a political party representing the interest of the landholders in Punjab. The statement is correct because the Unionist Party was active in Punjab. Second statement, it talked about it proposed to the idea of partition of India as India and Pakistan. So here both the statement is correct. Option C, that is C for Charlie, 1 and 2 is the correct. Now come to the question number 111. 111 talked about which among the following was composed by Hari Sena. Hari Sena basically a court poet of Samudragupta. So here the option is Priyag Prihasti of Samudragupta. B option is correct. Beta. B option is correct. Come to the next question of history part. 113 question. That which among the following battle could be seen as laying the formal foundation of British Raj in India? So here the correct answer is C, that is Battle of Buxar. C for Charlie. Battle of Buxar was fought in year was 1765, and what happened in 1760? Sorry. Battle of Buxar was found in 1764. In 1765, Treaty of Allahabad was signed. In what happened in Treaty of Allahabad? Diwani rights were got, Britishers were got Diwani rights. So here the answer is C. Come to the next question of 114. Where in South India British East India Company construct a trading post in 1639? Here the correct answer is B. Madraspatnam. Madraspatnam. The next question of 115, it talked about which of the following statement is correct. So here the first statement, it talked about the Dutch East India Company was formed after the formation of British East India Company. Second statement talked about Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in 1498. The first statement is wrong because the first one, Portugals were the first one to came to India. After Portugals, Dutch were the second to come. After Dutch, the English Britishers came. That is English. After Britishers, French came. So first statement is wrong. If we eliminate first, the second one is came because Vasco da Gama came at 1498. So second statement is correct, B option. This is what all about we covered history section and current affairs section. All the best student. Thank you.